In this video, you will learn how to landscape one page in Word. Currently, you can see here I have opened a Word file, and if I scroll down, you can easily observe that I have changed the orientation of one page to landscape. If I zoom out, you can see the clear picture. Now you can observe that I have 3 pages in portrait mode and 1 page in landscape mode, which is the third one. So let's learn how to change the orientation of one page from portrait to landscape in Word. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Now I have opened a Word file and I am interested to change the orientation of page number 3 from portrait to landscape. You will learn two easy methods. In first method I will use section break, and in second method I will use inbuilt function of Microsoft Word to create a section break. You don't need to create section break manually. So you can use inbuilt function of Microsoft Word. So let's jump to first method. In this method we will create section. For example, I am interested to change the orientation of page number 3. I will click at the end of page number 2 to create a section break. Just go to layout option, click on this break option, and here is the option of section break. Click on next page. Now we have inserted a section break here. If I go to home tab and click on show height, you can easily observe that section break inserted here. Now I will click at the end of text on page 3 because we are only interested to change the orientation of page number 3. If you are interested to change the orientation of page 3 and 4, then click on the end of page number 4. So in this case, we are only interested to change the orientation of first page. So I will click on at the end of text to create a section break. Go to layout option and repeat the procedure as I earlier explained. Break option, go to section break and click on next page. Now if I go to home and click on show height, you can easily observe that section break inserted here. Now this is our section. I will deselect this option. Now click here. If I make any changes, then this change will be applicable to only this section. It means that this change will be applicable to only page 3 and remaining page orientation remain the same. Click anywhere on page number 3 and again go to layout option. Here is the option of orientation, and from here I will choose landscape orientation. Now only the orientation of this section is changed, which means only page 3 orientation is changed. You can see this one is our first page, this one is the second one, this one is the third one, and this one is our last page. Now you will learn simplest method to change the orientation in Microsoft Word. I am interested to change the orientation of page number 3. Select all text from page 3. Go to layout option. Go to page setup, and here is the option of arrow. Click here, a dialog box will be appear. From orientation I will change orientation to landscape and apply these changes to only selected text. Click on OK. Now the page contains selected text orientation is changed and the orientation of remaining pages remain the same. Now this is the simplest method. Now I will explain another useful option. Now I am interested to change the orientation of page number 3 as well as page number 4. What I will do? I will click on page number 3. Again go to layout option, and in page setup I will click here. From here I will choose orientation landscape and I will apply these changes to this point forward. The remaining pages, click on OK. Now you can observe that the orientation of page number 3 and 4 is changed now. So by using any of these methods, you can easily change the orientation of one page from portrait to landscape in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.